Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to fix Blender Unsupported Graphics Cards or Driver 4.3. First, search Open DLL files on your web browser. Open the first website provided on the screen. Now type OpenGL32 in the search bar and press Enter. Click the OpenGL32.dll file and scroll down its description. Then, download the updated version of the application. Next, search About your PC in the search bar of your PC. Click to open it and view your PC details. After that, click Download and then start downloading it. Now, open the downloaded file on your PC and then copy the file. Go to the Blender 4.1 application by searching it on your PC. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Now, paste the file into this folder. Following these steps may fix the issue that occur in Blender. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.